Today I will be introducing you to 9 of the breeds of chickens that I own and love, each with their unique characteristics, country of origin, egg color, personality, egg production, and egg size. These chickens not only add diversity and beauty to my coop, but also bring a steady supply of eggs and delightful entertainment to my everyday life. The first is a Wheaten Marans named Bridget. Originating from France, Marans are known for their beautiful wheaten coloration with light creamy or golden bodies and darker neck and tail feathers. These chickens are prized for their rich, dark brown eggs, often referred to as chocolate eggs. Wheaten Marans are generally friendly and calm, making them suitable for backyard flocks. They lay about 3 to 4 eggs per week, totaling approximately 150 to 200 large eggs per year. Wheaten Marans can occasionally go broody and are capable of hatching eggs. Next is Mia, a Bantam mottled Cochin. Cochins have their origins in China, but the mottled variety like Mia here was developed in the USA. These small fluffy chickens have distinctive black and white mottled feathers and are known for their gentle disposition and ornamental appearance, including abundant feathering on their legs and feet. Bantam mottled Cochins lay cream-colored eggs, producing around 2 to 3 small eggs per week, which amounts to about 100 to 150 eggs per year. Their friendly and docile nature makes them excellent pets. Mia is tiny, but she has a big personality and can hold her own among the larger chickens. Bantam mottled Cochins are known to go broody frequently and make excellent mothers. These next 2 girls are Rita and Rhonda, 2 golden comets. Golden comets were developed in the USA as a sex-linked hybrid breed, known for high egg production and ease of care. With golden red plumage, they are prolific layers, often starting as early as 16 weeks of age. Golden comets are friendly and easy to handle, making them popular in backyard flocks. They lay about 5 to 6 brown eggs per week, resulting in approximately 250 to 300 large eggs per year. Rita and Rhonda's first eggs were extra large double yolkers. Golden comets rarely go broody and are not generally known for hatching eggs, but their egg production and friendliness make them a joy to have in the flock. Next is Mariah, a black copper Marans, another variety of the Marans breed from France. Black copper Marans are distinguished by their striking black plumage with copper-colored hackles. Famous for laying some of the darkest brown eggs, they are friendly but can be somewhat reserved. In Mariah's case, she is sweet and doesn't mind being picked up. Black copper Marans lay around 3 to 4 eggs per week, totaling about 150 to 200 large eggs per year. They can go broody occasionally and are capable of hatching eggs. These next 2, Franny and Norma Jean, are Easter eggers. Easter eggers were developed in the USA and have a mixed heritage that is typically created by crossing chickens that carry the blue egg gene, such as Americana or Araucana, with other breeds such as Leghorns, Rhode Island Reds, or Plymouth Rocks. Easter eggers are not a true breed but rather a variety known for their ability to lay eggs in various colors, including blue, green, and pink. They are friendly and curious, making them a favorite among backyard chicken keepers. Both of these girls are extremely friendly and trusting. Easter eggers typically lay 4 to 5 medium to large eggs per week, resulting in approximately 200 to 250 eggs per year. They can go broody but not as frequently as some other breeds. Neither of these girls have ever gone broody. This girl is named Billie Jean and she's a Buckeye. Buckeyes were developed in the USA, specifically Ohio, by Mrs. Nettie Metcalf in the late 19th century. These chickens are known for their hardiness and ability to withstand cold weather, with rich mahogany plumage and a pea comb. Buckeyes are active and curious and can be quite friendly. They lay about 3 to 4 brown eggs per week, resulting in approximately 150 to 200 medium to large eggs per year. Buckeyes can go broody occasionally and make good mothers. Billie Jean has never gone broody. Next are Jody and Bluebell, 2 olive eggers, which are a hybrid breed developed in the USA and created by crossing a dark brown egg layer, like a Marans, with a blue egg layer, such as Americana or Araucana. The result is a chicken that lays distinctive olive-colored eggs. Occasionally, though, they may lay a brown egg or an egg that looks more blue than olive. And that's the case with both Jody and Bluebell. Jody lays a light brown or cream-colored egg, while Bluebell lays a bluish-greenish colored egg. You may have seen the video of Bluebell already. She can be very mischievous but not in a devious way. She's still very sweet and friendly, a typical trait of olive eggers. They're also very hardy. In fact, another of my olive eggers, Josie, is 7 years old and very lame with curl toe syndrome, but she is still laying at least 3 eggs a week. Typically, olive eggers lay around 4 to 5 medium to large eggs per week, totaling approximately 200 to 250 eggs per year. Olive eggers can go broody and will hatch eggs, depending on their genetic makeup. So far, none of my olive eggers have ever gone broody. Next we have Scarlet, A Jubilee Orpington. The Jubilee Orpington got its name in honor of the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Victoria, celebrated in 1897. William Cook, the original breeder of Orpingtons, developed the Jubilee variety to commemorate the 60th anniversary of Queen Victoria's reign. The striking plumage of the Jubilee Orpington, with a mix of red, white and black feathers, was considered fitting for the grand celebration and was named accordingly. Orpingtons are known for their large size, friendly disposition, and good egg-laying abilities. Jubilee Orpingtons lay light brown eggs, producing about 3 to 4 large eggs per week, which amounts to approximately 150 to 200 eggs per year. Their calm and friendly nature makes them ideal for backyard flocks. Scarlet is a very shy and timid girl. In fact, she will not sleep on the roost with the other chickens and refuses to go into or exit the coop on her own. Every morning, she waits for me to come get her out of the coop, and every evening she waits at the gate for me to come and put her back in the coop. She will not sleep on the roost and instead sleeps in one of the nesting boxes. Jubilee Orpingtons can go broody and make excellent mothers. This is Sabella, a blue Orpington variety. She is actually more of a splash Orpington, which you sometimes get with the variety. They can also be black. Blue Orpingtons, also a variety from England, are known for their stunning blue plumage and large size. In fact, Sabella probably weighs at least 8 or 9 pounds. Blue Orpingtons are gentle and friendly, making them great for families and backyard flocks. Blue Orpingtons lay about 3 to 4 light brown eggs per week, totaling approximately 150 to 200 large eggs per year. Both of my Orpingtons laid for about 2.5 years and never laid again. But I still don't regret purchasing them. They are a delight to have in the flock. Blue Orpingtons can go broody and are known to be good mothers. However, none of mine have ever gone broody. And there you have it. The breeds presented to you today offer a wonderful range of personalities, egg colors and production rates, making them excellent choices for any backyard flock. They not only provide a steady supply of eggs, but also bring diversity and beauty to your coop. Whether you are looking for prolific layers, good brooders or friendly pets, these breeds can meet your various needs and preferences in your chicken keeping journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help grow our chicken enthusiast community, and to help YouTube to continue to promote these videos to those of us who enjoy chicken keeping. Thanks for watching.